Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best cordless stick vacuums of 2025, showcasing the latest and most innovative models designed to make cleaning effortless and efficient. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, lightweight design, or long-lasting battery life, these vacuums deliver exceptional performance across various surfaces from hardwood to carpets. Stay tuned as we dive into their standout features and what makes them the perfect choice for modern homes.
Product links in our description below.
Number 5. Eureka RapidClean Pro Cordless Vacuum. The Eureka RapidClean Pro Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight and versatile cleaning solution, perfect for tackling everyday messes with ease. Featuring a powerful motor and advanced cyclonic filtration system, it delivers consistent suction across a variety of surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors. The convenient Easy Rest Nook allows the vacuum to rest on furniture or countertops, while the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris in dark corners. Its 40-minute runtime ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions, and the detachable, easy-to-empty dust cup enhances convenience. The ergonomic design and lay-flat functionality make it ideal for reaching under furniture and tight spaces, offering exceptional maneuverability. Number 4. LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka RapidClean Pro Cordless Vacuum combines power, convenience, and efficiency in a lightweight design. With a high-performance motor and advanced filtration, it delivers strong suction across various surfaces, while its 40-minute runtime ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Features like LED headlights for spotting hidden debris, an easy rest nook for propping the vacuum during breaks, and a lay-flat design for reaching under furniture make it highly user-friendly. Its easy-to-empty dust cup and ergonomic construction add to its appeal, making it a reliable and versatile choice for hassle-free cleaning. Number 3. BISSELL CleanView X RPET 300-Watt Vacuum. The BISSELL CleanView X RPET 300-Watt Vacuum is a powerful cordless stick vacuum designed specifically for pet owners, offering exceptional cleaning performance and convenience. Equipped with a robust 300-watt motor and specialized pet tools, it effectively removes pet hair, dander, and debris from various surfaces, including carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. The tangle-free brush roll prevents hair wrap, while its high-capacity dustbin ensures fewer interruptions during cleaning. With a long-lasting battery that provides up to 45 minutes of runtime, it allows for extended cleaning sessions without hassle. The vacuum's LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt and pet hair in dark corners, and its lightweight ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver. The BISSELL CleanView XR PET also features a seamless transition between floor types, making it a versatile and efficient choice for homes with pets. Number 2. SharkPet Cordless Stick Vacuum iX141. The SharkPet Cordless Stick Vacuum iX141 is designed for powerful pet hair removal and everyday cleaning. With strong suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, it tackles pet hair and debris without hair wrap, while its 40-minute runtime ensures uninterrupted cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Its lightweight design and swivel steering provide excellent maneuverability, and the detachable handheld mode is ideal for above-floor cleaning. An easy-to-empty dustbin and LED headlights enhance convenience, making it a great choice for pet owners. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum offers powerful cleaning with advanced features like laser detection to reveal hidden dust and a piezo sensor that adjusts suction based on debris levels. Its high-torque motor and root cyclone technology ensure exceptional performance on all surfaces, while the washable HEPA filter and advanced filtration capture 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, versatile attachments, and an easy-to-empty bin, it's a top choice for efficient, allergen-free cleaning, especially for pet owners and allergy sufferers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.